Hey, how's it going, Michael? My name is Devin. I just got off the phone with Jacqueline. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start beating custom error, because these guys come up on the front page when you type in AC Repair Sarasota FL, and it's really easy for you to get there. So I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's really simple. There's a lot of small business owners that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that when I make these attack plans and I just give them away for free, a lot of business owners end up calling me back and having me do this stuff for them. Whatever you want to do, this information is okay with me. It's just free education. What I'm going to talk to you about today is 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, I wanted to say to start off, your website is awesome. I've never seen a logo like that, and it's just a really great, trustworthy photo you have going up front. Plus, the design is killer. So you did a great job on the actual design portion of this website. What Google mostly cares about is this stuff right here, all this content you can read, and they want to see a lot of it. So the average website on the front page of Google has 2,000 words, which is where you want to be sitting. And if I go put your content into a word counter, you have 754. So you're going to definitely want to get that up to that 2,000 word mark. Now, if we go and look over at Custom Air Inc., and we see how much they have, whoops, wrong button. These guys have 862. So they have a little bit more than you, which is one of the reasons they're outranking you. But the good news is they're not at 2,000 words, which means you can easily beat them by getting yourself to 2,000 words. Last quick tip on that point. This is called a keyword. It's a phrase that somebody types into Google to find your business, and you want this on your website a couple times. So if I go and I search, you don't have that anywhere on your page. So I'd recommend when you write that extra content, put that in there a couple times. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is really important. Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other trustworthy companies vouching for you, but they want to see relevant links. So they're going to give you a lot more power if you have another HVAC website linking to you versus if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There's free tools out there for everything I'm showing you in this video. Just Google like backlink checker, you can find it. But it says you have 154 websites linking to you. Now, Custom Air has 151 linking to them. So you're probably thinking, how the heck are they beating me? That goes into what I was talking about with the trustworthy, relevant websites. So what I would do, the easiest way to beat them is to copy them, because if the links are good enough for them, they're good enough for you too. So you just go visit their list of websites, and you go down here and visit every single website the same way they did, and put a link on that website back to yours. Most of the time, you just have to create a profile and put a link in your profile, or put a comment. Sometimes you may have to click the contact us button and email the owner, but whatever they did, if you copy them and put more content and have the same backlinks, that's how you beat them organically on the front page. If you want to be number 1 in the ads, you just need to bid higher than your competitors, and I can show you some more about that if you have any questions. But the last thing I'm going to show you on the video, and really the best place to show up, is right here in the map pack. This is free to get here, and it's where the most traffic goes. Getting here just requires having more citations than your competitors, and a citation is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number is in a directory. A directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp or Yellow Pages or White Pages. What I'd recommend you did was figure out what directories Mr. AC was in. I'd put myself in those same ones and then add a bunch more on top. So if he was in 150 directories, I'd be in like 300 directories. And that's all I've got for you, Michael. I hope you found this informative and helpful. Try to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 2,000 words on this homepage, and you want keywords inside of that content. You're going to want to copy the backlinks that are linking to Custom Air and get them linking back to your page. And then you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Mr. AC. And Michael, if you follow these 3 tips, that's how you become number 1 across all of Google. So I bet you're wondering what you do now. I recommend you get started on this as soon as possible, because it does take time to apply all of this, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you start profiting off of your work. If you have any questions whatsoever, I put my phone number right down here at the bottom right. You can give me a call at any time. I'd be glad to answer any questions you may have. I look forward to hearing your feedback. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks, Michael. Bye.